Hi, welcome. This is Jenny from 24/7 Crochet. Today I'm happy to be able to teach you how to make a super cool bandana for either your dog or maybe your cat. And it has a very special pom-pom border as well. Um, I'm making this one in white, so it might maybe a little bit easier for you to see what I'm actually doing. This size is for, let's say, Pomeranian size. So this is extra small size. So you will start by chaining 37. If you have a larger dog, you chain a longer chain. Okay, so we are at the end of making our chains, and we will now um, connect it. So it will be like a circle, and that will be the collar, because this is a slip-on bandana. So we connect it with the last stitch with the first stitch. So make sure that you don't twist your chain. And honestly, I mean, if you do twist your chain and you find out when you are at the end of the row, it's no disaster actually. You can cover up quite easy. Okay, so connect with a slip stitch and then you make a chain, and then you will start doing your half double crochets in every stitch, and you chain 36. The last chain is your turning chain, so now you will end up with 35 half double crochets in total. But again, it's really up to you how large you want to make the collar, as this is a slip-on. It will stretch a little bit and it shouldn't be too loose, because honestly it won't look that pretty when you put it on. Okay, so we are doing our half double crochets. Okay, so we are at the end of our first round, and you will just finish off with a slip stitch, and we will start with the round number 2. So we will continue doing your half double crochets, and you will make 20 stitches. You could make it smaller or larger, it's really up to you, but you have to make sure it's even numbers. All right. So now actually we are at round 3, and we will do an increase before we doing the decreases. So in the first stitch of this row, um, you will have to place two half double crochets in the first stitch, and then you will crochet as normal, one half double crochet in every stitch, And then when you reach the end in the last stitch, you will also have to place 2 double crochets. But this is the only increase you will do. From now on, after this row, you will do decreases. Now, actually, while doing this tutorial, I remembered that the use of stitch markers is a really, really good idea, because if you want your increases to look nice and pretty, and you will have some nice edges or borders, you should for sure use your stitch markers to help you, because honestly it's quite hard to see which stitch is actually your last stitch. So take your time to use your stitch markers, and it will be very, very helpful actually. At this next row, you will start doing increases. So you will yarn over, insert your hook, and then you will insert your hook again in the next stitch. So you will have 4 loops on your hook. So you yarn over and you pull through all 4 of them. That's a decrease, a half double crochet decrease. So put your stitch marker on the right place so you will keep track on your first stitch. Then you continue doing your half double crochets, and when you have 2 stitches left on this row, you will continue to increase these as well. Here we are at the end of the row. So you will decrease your 2 last stitches with your half double crochet. Yarn over and pull through 4 loops. Make a turning chain and turn your work. So you will just keep on repeating what you've been doing. You will do decreases in the 2 first stitches and the 2 last stitches. And I will meet you back here when you have only 4 stitches left. Okay, so you're all almost done with your bandana, or the base of our bandana, as we will actually do a really nice pom-pom border in this this tutorial. So when you have 4 stitches left, you will decrease, so you will only end up with 2 stitches left. Then you turn your work, you will have 2 stitches left that you will connect, or decrease, so you will end up with only 1 stitch left, and you're done. So you will just have to secure your yarn, the 2 loose ends, and either you change color or you will continue making pom-poms with the same color. On this bandana, I actually chose to change my hook to a smaller size. So the bandana I've been crocheting with the hook 5.5, and for the pom-pom I'm changing to a hook size 4. So you will just insert your hook where you would like to start making your pom-poms. And as always, I really want to secure my yarn. So I make a nice knot to tie it up. There we are. And then I will grab your hook, insert your hook, and make a chain. So to start with, you will chain 3. And then you will actually, at the base of your chain, there is this gap. This will be like the center that you will be working in. So you will make a double crochet at the base of your chain, and you will repeat this 4 times. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Pull through. Not so easy, this yarn to work with, but it looks nice though. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, and you pull through all 4 of them. At this point, there is no need to secure your pom-pom. You just continue with making slip stitches. I almost made a single stitch, but in this case, we will make slip stitches. 1, 2, 3. And then on your 3rd slip stitch, you will chain 3 and you will repeat what you just did. You insert your hook at the base of your chain and you make a double crochet. And you will make 4 double crochet, which equals 4 loops on your hook. So when you have 4 loops left on your hook, you will need to yarn over and pull through all 4 of them, and there you go, you have a new pom-pom. Then you will continue with doing your slip stitches. You will make 1, 2, and 3, and then you will chain 3, and then you will do 4 double crochets in the center base of your double crochet. And you kind of have to improvise when you are placing your slip stitches, as we haven't made any single crochets before making the border. But in this tutorial we will do it this way. I have other tutorials for different ways to do nice borders on your bandanas. Yeah, so we're almost at the end. It looks so pretty, so nice. And just imagine all the different color variations you can do. I guess this one is a little bit girly with the pom-poms. But it's so cute and you can have so much fun. And I mean, I chose this yarn, this super soft. Oh, it's such a nice yarn to work with, and it's so, so soft. But honestly, it's really up to you if you want to do wool or acrylic or whatever you prefer. It's so cute. Look, here you can do different combinations with embellishments. I think this one has a little bit of Gucci, but without the border. And if you have a male dog, you could do the more rock and roll style. And this is my neighbor's cute little Pomeranian. She was my model for the day. And I think she's so cute in this bandana. I just cannot stop making bandanas. It's so easy. It takes from 15 minutes to 45 minutes depending on how you want to do it. So if you like my tutorial, I hope you will subscribe, I hope you will like, and I hope you will comment. And please check out more of my tutorials. I hope you will be as addicted as I am to making bandanas for your pets. Thank you.